Hi folks, Thomas Henson here with thomashenson.com, and today I'm excited to announce a new course that I have just launched specifically for data engineers who are looking to have enterprise skills with the Hortonworks Data Platform. And this course, brand new course from Pluralsight, and I want to tell you all about it, but find out more right after this. So welcome back. So I'm excited. I know I normally do big data, big questions, but I wanted to make sure that I got this video out because we always talk about, okay, what are some ways that we can, learn more, have more skill development. And honestly, I mean, this is one of the ways that I'm able to contribute to the community, to be able to support myself, to be able to make videos like this too. So I definitely want, anybody, if you have a Pluralsight subscription or you're interested in learning your skills, make sure you sign up for Pluralsight, watch my courses, and give me some feedback on them. Tell me, hey, did I cover the topics right? Was there some things that you'd like to see? Is there other courses that you'd like me to do? But I want to talk about the newest course out there. So it's the second part in my Hortonworks Data Platform courses that I've done. The first one was all about getting started. So it was talking about how to, go from a data engineer to set up your first environment, to add nodes, do some of the tactical basic skills that you need to know. This course focuses on the enterprise user. And so one of the reasons that we focus on the enterprise user is the Hadoop ecosystem is huge. Like there's stats out there. One of the stats that I've seen is, by 2020 or 2021, the Hadoop ecosystem is going to be like $87 billion. So that's pretty huge. A majority of that is coming from the enterprise. So the enterprise is looking for data engineers that have enterprise skills. And so what are some of these enterprise skills? I break the course up into three different ways. So talk more about access, so how to manage groups, users, and how to set up different ACLs and different things around how do you access your data. Because most of the time in the enterprise, what you're going to be dealing with is you're going to be dealing with multiple users, right? You might have people from sales, you might have people from marketing, R&D. How do you as a data engineer manage all these from the Hortonworks Data Platform? So that's the first part that we go through. The second part I go through is data protection. How do we make sure, since these are critical applications, like I said, $87 billion possibly in the next few years in the enterprise, how do we make sure that we're protecting our data? And so there we talk about how to do snapshots and also how to do high availability. So if your master node goes down, you can make sure that your data is available and your cluster is still up. So those are some of the skills on the second part. And now for the third part, what we go into is how to share out resources. So we talked about having different tenants and having multi-tenancy in your Hortonworks Data Platform cluster. So think about sales and marketing. Well, if you're doing a pay model, how do you make sure that you're able to share out the resources? And so that's where we talk about one, how to share out resources from a storage perspective. So how do you set up quotas for your storage capacity? So if you have users coming in, hey, you're going to have 20 terabytes. This other group of users, they're going to have 30. How do you manage all those and set those quotas up? Then next, what we talk about is how to use resource management from a performance perspective. So think about using the YARN scheduler to be able to carve up and be able to allow for different users to have 20% of the resources or 30%. It's just an ability for you to take and say, hey, we've got these different users and we can give different contracts or different performance perspectives depending on whose project gets approved, how much budget they're providing, all these types of enterprise skills that we're looking for. So I hope that you'll check out my new course. Like I said, it's on Pluralsight. If you're a Pluralsight member or if you're looking for a subscription, put a comment section here below and I can help you out. But just go out, check out the course, let me know any feedback, let me know some other courses that you'd like for me to make. And until next time, I'll see you for big data, big questions.